Freshly refreshed 3-bed, 2-bath annual rental on a huge north-facing corner lot in Seacoast Shores, minutes from the Atlantic beaches of Indian Harbour Beach. This mid-century block home lives bright and open, with original polished terrazzo running throughout. The split floor plan sets the private primary ensuite on one side and 2 more bedrooms sharing a full bath, tub and window, on the other, so every room gets real daylight. Off the main living area, a drop-down bonus/family room opens through a hurricane impact slider to the backyard, a large fully fenced yard with a paved patio for relaxing or entertaining. The attached 2-car garage adds washer/dryer hookups and generous storage. Brand new HVAC, inside and out, fresh interior and exterior paint, and new blinds throughout. Zoned for Ocean Breeze Elementary, Hoover Middle, and Satellite High, with easy